Tonight marks the 15-year anniversary since a massive tornado tore through the small town of Greensburg. That EF5 had winds as strong as 205 miles per hour. On the ground for more than an hour, maximum width 1.7 miles. 11 people died from the storm. Dozens of others were hurt. The tornado destroyed 95% of Greensburg. And in true Kansas fashion, the people of the city did not let this keep them down. They rebuilt, putting the green in Greensburg. All of the electricity comes from wind energy in Greensburg, and it is the first city in the country to use all LED streetlights.